Hello, everyone. Today we're going to share another amazing tips and trick. Here, how to change Gmail account password on Android device. So, let's start. Open Gmail app. Click profile icon from top right corner. Now, click on Google account. From here, slide right side for Find Security option. Click Security option. Scroll down. Click on Password option. Type new password. Retype your new password. Click on Change Password. Again, click on Change Password. You have done. Gmail account password has been changed. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.